Hey everybody. Well, if you made it this far, you've made it to the end. Clock mechanism is about 3.5 inches in diameter, and the clock sits just under 6 inches tall. I made this clock for two reasons. Number one, I've surpassed 1,000 subscribers for my channel, which I thought would never happen. I'll be giving this clock away in a week or two. I'm going to do a random comment generator on YouTube, so make sure you leave a comment to be entered into the giveaway for this clock. So anyway, second reason I made the clock is Hugh Davies over at Wouldn't It Be Nice, his YouTube channel. He's doing a January clock challenge just for the month of January. So this is also my entry for Hugh's clock challenge. I'll leave the links, and there's a hashtag for the clock challenge also. I'll leave that in the description box below. I want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. All the likes, the comments, man, this is unbelievable. I never thought I'd reach 1,000 subscribers. So hopefully we can grow it a little bit more. It's kind of fun. It's matter of fact, it's a lot of fun. So enjoy the hobby of wood turning. So anyway, I just wanted to say thank you, and I know I'm late on my 1,000K giveaway. Since I'm late, I figured I might as well make a clock. It came out good. I'm really pleased with it. So anyway, thanks again to everybody for subscribing again. Man, I can't say it enough. I appreciate each and every one of you, old subscribers that have been there from the beginning, new subscribers. Man, just real appreciative. So anyway, I'm going to take off. I'm going to quit rambling. Leave a comment so you're entered in the giveaway, and in about a week or two we'll give this thing away. So, and I will leave some still shots at the end of this, and I'm going to shut up now and say bye and thank you.